Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, sorry, this question belongs to GATE CSC 2005 guys. The given question is consider the entities hotel room, person with a many to many relation. Okay, so they are saying it is a many to many relation. Okay, lodging as shown below. Okay, so lodging is the relation in between them. Okay, dash if we wish to store information about the rent payment to be made by a person. Okay, so we want to store how much rent the person should pay. So basically we are trying to maintain the relation in between this person and hotel, right? Hotel room will be a single room and this person will take few rooms. He might take one or more rooms also, right? Yes. Okay, so that is the reason why if we are maintaining the rent, where we will maintain is the question, right? Yes, payment to be made by persons occupying different hotel rooms, then the information should appear as an attribute in. Okay, so basically this question, let us try to analyze it guys. So in this question there are few things. So when it comes to hotel, okay, so in a hotel there will be many rooms, right? Yes, so they are saying this is many to many relation. So indirectly a single customer can book multiple rooms, and in that multiple rooms also multiple persons can share, right? So there could be sharing rooms in that way, right? So in that way they are trying to maintain this hotel. Okay, so at that time if we want to store the rent, so indirectly that rent will occupy both of these characters, right? So how many rooms this particular person took in the hotel, so indirectly it should be in relation in between those two. So the most appropriate place where you can write this particular rent will be here, right? Yes, so you will take the primary key from here, you will take the primary key from here, and you will write there, and you will say that this many rooms has been booked by this person, so this is the total rent. In that way you can write, right? Yes, so most probable answer should be lodging guys, because whenever you write here it will be also tough. If you try to write here also it will be tough. So that is the reason why in between, as this rent depends on both of them, it will be better if we write in between, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? Yes, and few students might be having a doubt that how come a relation can have a attribute. Yes guys, relations can also have attributes. Okay, yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.